Frame drum. Frame drums are understood all over the world, from the bend here in North Africa, the Bodhran in Ireland, the ceremonial drum of the North American Indians to the shaman's drum in Siberia, and the Sami's drums in northern Finland. They include a circular, wooden frame whereon normally one skin is fixed. When it has two skins, one on each side of the frame, it becomes a double frame drum. Frame drums have an unbelievable richness of sound, which varies significantly with the climate, the temperature level, and humidity in the air. To solve the issues caused by the climate, you can discover frame drums with exceptional synthetic skins or tunable drums. They usually have a watery sensation to them, although when the drum gets very dry and hard, the quality of sound modifications appropriately. Listen to Glenn Velez playing them. He understands, for instance, how to bring space into his playing, which is rather rare. You can play frame drums with bare hands and fingertips, using the various positions on the skin to produce a difficult, sharp sound on the edge. Fire a bell type ringing in the very center, and the deep soft sounds, water tendency in between the center area and the edge. Frame drums can also be at fun with numerous sort of mallets. Generally, the very soft mallets bring out better its warm sounds. You can find out to spot densities and energy fields by listening thoroughly to the overtone spectrum showed while playing the drum near someone's body. You need to play softly,